Screenlabs uploaded something. I can't do this anymore. I don't. Yeah, like that's old. That's not what the display shows. But whatever. I got a win today. For some reason, as you see, we have one contract here. Micros. One contract here. For some reason, it filled me at 2. So I got a $200 day instead of a $100 day. Whatever. I'm testing a new bracket where I got in. Where I get in? I got in the top of this. No. It was like a middle here. And then it kind of came down. And then I just held, right? So I'm trading the macros again. I get on at 9:45. And I'm testing a bracket where it has to go 250. And then it'll trail 50. 300, trail 50, 350, and then final TP is 400. Because remember I was doing that trail and I really enjoyed it. I really did. However, I had my first trail at 200, so I would always like get stopped out at 150 and make less than my 200. So I think 250 is good because I always make my 200. And if the volume is good, obviously, like not like if it goes 400 now, obviously, you know, I got stopped out. It's a big candle down. But if the volume is just there, we just run through. Because I've gotten some, when I was doing that, I got some 400 tick days, like back to back a few times. So it could happen. If not, if this isn't working, I'm getting stopped out at break even a lot because I have an auto break even at 200, which would be my take profit. Then I'm just going to go back to 1-to-1. So let's just see how this goes. And I like that I got $200 today, honestly. I'm still going to try the 1 for a little bit, like the rest of this week. And we're going to go from there. But trading the macro, locked in on futures. I'm not, the options are just, it's too much right now. And it's like different times of the day. Like yesterday, the move happened at 2. Sometimes at noon. Like it's just, I like how I can get on the chart trade in the same time every day, and I have to record TikTok shop videos. So it's nice. I set this trade, and I've been recording TikTok shop videos without a script, and I came up here to get my computer because I need to record a script. And, yeah, I need to record this script right here. And then I was like, oh, my trade's out, so I can just record my recap. So a nice $200 day. Like I said, once this gets out of drawdown, I will, like, I'm scared to go put it at 2 because it's going to try to go to 4, but it shouldn't. It's a Top Step account, and I'm in drawdown. So we can go to 2, and then that'll be 6 trades are out, and then I can I want to do $200 a day on my live account, too. Like, I just want to rip the Band-Aid off because that's enough to live off of, $200 a day. So if I do the rest of this week, it'll only go 400. So I mean, we can do it. Shall we? I just want to lose $200. I actually like having it at 1 and then just doing 2 right here. It's just better, honestly. And then it'll do it for you. Yeah. I think it's better to just do it over here. So yeah, setting and forgetting. I'm gonna leave it at 1. And then next week we'll go up to 2. Next week we'll go up to 2 if I feel it. You know, I just want to get a groove first. Because if I start losing at higher risk, you know how I am. I start to go into it. But I'm doing 1 trade a day for real. If I lose, like it's just farther from a payout, I don't give a shit anymore. 1 trade, get off the chart. Like, that's all I'm doing. That's all I'm fucking doing. 1 trade, TikTok shop. That's the good part about TikTok shop. Get it. You don't even need to stay in here that long. So it looks like it's reversing anyway. So that's why I'm glad I have the trail. But the trail where I at least get what I need every day. Maybe I'm logged off. The fuck? Internet has been insane in my house today. Even on just watching regular TikTok shop videos. Boom, shakalaka. And then we'll log it in the trading journal. But I'll see y'all tomorrow.